Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the long tail cast on for absolute beginners. And for that I'm going to need some yarn, and I'm using this nice and soft merino wool. I always recommend for beginners to use Aran weight or bulky weight yarn. It is much easier to work with and it's much easier to see your stitches. So as you can see here on the back, this yarn recommends a 4.5 to 5.5 millimeter needles. So I'm using these 5.5 circular needles. Circular needles are always super practical because you can use them both for knitting in rounds and you can use them for knitting back and forth. To begin, I'm going to pull out a length of yarn that is about 3 times the width of my knitting project. So I'm just going to make a small sample here that is approximately 10 centimeters in width. So I will need 30 centimeters plus a little extra yarn tail here. So 10, 20, and 30. So to make a slip knot, I'm going to form a loop. Then place my working yarn, which I have here on the left, underneath the loop. Then I will take my knitting needle and grab the yarn through the loop and pull tight. And I'm now ready to cast on. So I'm going to take my thumb and my index finger and insert them underneath the 2 strands of yarn. Then flip my wrist over and grab the 2 strands of yarn with my fingers. So I've now created this small triangle here. I'm then going to take my knitting needle and insert it underneath the yarn on my thumb from below. Then I will go over and catch the yarn on my index finger. Then bring the needle back through the loop on my thumb. Let go of the loop on my thumb and tighten the stitch. Again, insert the needle underneath the loop on your thumb. Go over and catch the yarn on your index finger. Bring the needle back through the loop on the thumb. Let go of the yarn on your thumb and tighten the stitch. Again, insert underneath the loop on your thumb. Go over and catch the yarn on your index finger. Bring the needle back through the loop on the thumb. Let go and tighten. Again, go underneath the yarn on your thumb, over the yarn on your index finger. Bring it down under the loop on your thumb. Let go and tighten the stitch. And I'm just going to continue to cast on the rest of the stitches and show you in slow motion. So I've now casted on 16 stitches, which will make my project approximately 10 centimeters in width. And that is all depending on your yarn size and your needle size, of course. And if we just flip the work over here, you can just see how beautiful the edge of my work is going to be when casting on with this method. So I wish you the best of luck trying this out yourself. And please don't get discouraged if it doesn't work out on the first few tries. It always takes a bit more than that to get it right. And feel free to watch the video back as many times as you need to. As long as you keep practicing and don't give up, you will get this in the end. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.